Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up two different professional driver update software on your PC. Make sure you follow the steps carefully to claim your free giveaway copies. First, we'll install DriverMax. Open Google and search for DriverMax Download. Visit the official website at drivermax.com, download the installer, and install it on your system. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. As you can clearly see, this is the free version of the application. To unlock the professional version of DriverMax, you normally need to purchase a subscription, but luckily, I have a giveaway subscription from the official website. I'm going to use that subscription code now, and later I'll show you how to claim yours. The giveaway subscription code works perfectly, and you can update all your drivers with a single click. Now, let's see how to claim the giveaway subscription. Visit the giveaway link provided in the description box below. Before clicking the giveaway link, make sure you connect to VPN and set your location to Germany. This is very important, as your IP address must appear to be from Germany. On the giveaway page, enter your first name, last name, email address, accept the terms and conditions, and then click on Get for Free. After that, check your email. You'll receive an email like this one. Make sure to confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to you. Once your email is confirmed, you'll receive another email like this. As you can see, we've received our free giveaway subscription instantly. Now, let's install Driver Booster. Open Google and search for Driver Booster Download. Visit the official website at iobit.com and download the free version by clicking on the free download button. Install Driver Booster as you normally would by following the on-screen instructions. During installation, remember to decline any optional offers, otherwise unwanted applications may be installed. Once the installation is complete, you can scan your system for available driver updates. However, as you can see, this is the free version of the application, so it has limitations. One major limitation is that you can update only one driver per day, but luckily there is an official giveaway subscription that unlocks all professional features. To claim it, visit the giveaway promotion page provided by the company. Before clicking the giveaway link, please follow my instructions carefully. I tried using a VPN on my PC like before, but it kept saying that I had already claimed the giveaway. This is likely due to IP address detection. So instead, I used my smartphone. I connected a VPN to Germany on my mobile device, opened an incognito tab in my mobile browser, and then visited the giveaway link. On the giveaway page, simply enter your email address and request the free subscription. If you don't understand German, you can use a translator. After submitting your email, check your inbox. You should receive an email like this one containing your free subscription details. I hope you found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.